at nakauwi ng maaga. 1:00 ng
Ang wala na delay. May problem.
Ayun. Already 1 o'clock midnight. Andito pa kami sa kalsada yan. Galing kami sa bahay ng aming friend. Ang aming friend na si Angela Fernando.
दुनीता जीवा किराना फकीर जी पेप्सी सोस
Nabili ka raw Pepsi.
माँ भी जीवा है पेप्सी
Pepsi? Oo.
Eh.
Kanina pa yan nga ano. Gusto niya raw Pepsi. Mapiidyali na no? Mapiidyali na nabili.
माँ भी जीवा
Moment that I wake up till I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life I've been faithful. All my life I've been so good. Every breath that I will sing of the goodness of God. I love you, Lord. In the evening, we're still roaming around, guys. Me and my partner, Danita, and of course, our driver, Kumar. We're from the house of Angela. Our employer trusts us too much. Look. Traveling at night. Traveling at night. Almost 1 o'clock in the evening. Still roaming around. We're from the party. Family party, guys. Exit 16. Maybe 45 minutes on the sa sa Eshpelia yan. Ang lawak-lawak ng Eshpelia. Pinauna na kami umuwi, guys, kasi bukas maaga pa may work na naman kami. Matulog ka ng late, the same ng gising mo. But we are always thankful to our God because we're always strong, healthy. Thank you so much. We can work every day without rest, but we make our own rest. If you are working, sit down for a while, then 5 minutes, work again. That's our life here and abroad. Abroad is not easy. It's hard to find money. Now you turn. Very hard to find money, guys. You know, it's already 1 o'clock in the evening, but we're still working. And after this, if we go back home, plenty of work because we have plenty of things to be fixed first before we go sleep. This is my partner, Lagasulan. Say hi, Lags.
Hello.
And my driver, Kumar. My driver, no, my employer's driver. I mean, and I'm Josie Ismail at your service, guys. Thank you. Saudi Arabia is very strict, guys, you know. Five minutes more, we have to reach home.
Mashallah, Donita.
This is our sweets we take from our home. Gift. This is a gift, and this one also. We have a left here.
This is country.
This one. Then plenty of foods there, but on the sweets we take to our home. Okay, guys. We have dropped by in supermarket. We have something to buy. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye.